solar phone bot giveaway. You understand? You click on start. We're starting from beginning. You understand? When click on start, you click on submit details. Click on submit details, and they'll say you should join their Telegram group. You join the Telegram group, join the Telegram channel. They click on done. You understand? They say you should follow them on X, retweet and like the pinned post. You understand? Then submit your username. Let's just go and do that now. You open your X like this. You follow them. This is the pinned post. You can see pinned here. You like, you retweet, then quote. Let's just tag 3 friends. Let's go with Google. Alright, you can use anything reasonable. Let's just use Google. Then at who am I following in this account safe? I'm not following much people here. Let's just tag any random person. 1 at somebody that is not having Twitter. Everybody just the pack. Let's tag the second person. Let's remove this other person. Oh god, I'm just trying to tag any random person. Alright, then tag another person. Let's just tag this person. That's how you repost. You click on repost. You understand? Then you're done with this tags. You come back to the bot. Let's go back to the bot. After doing that tags, come back to the bot. Then put your username. This is the username of the account I used to do that tags. Okay. You put your own Twitter username. New beans are beg. Your own Twitter username. You understand? Then click on submit. You understand? Then they will say you should generate your ticket number. Normally the first one we didn't generate the ticket number, so this is just a new pattern of theirs. So you just click on the software bot, you take it to another bot, which is this bot. You click on start, then you'll see something like click on lottery. Go and log into this thing. This place, you click this, you see an arrow here, click on it, it will tick good. Then here, subscribe to their channel, which you have already subscribed. There you click here to tick good. You see, I've already subscribed, so it will tick good. Subscribe to their group. I've already subscribed, it will tick good as well. Then follow them on Twitter, which I have already followed them. You just click on it like this to take you to Twitter to follow them. After following them, get back to the bot. Alright, then it will tick good. You understand? Then put the same username here. Let's just put the same username here. Okay, 3. This is the username I used. Alright, then here they say please enter your USDT BEP20 address. This is the point. Most of you get it very wrong. You understand? So I'll be using Trust Wallet for this tutorial because my main account I've already used my Bybit. So I'll just use Trust Wallet for this tutorial. You understand? Head over to let's first use Bybit. Let's use Bybit as a tutorial video. Okay. When you come to your Bybit like this, you search. I've already entered this. So you click on this. You come to this asset. Click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto. Go to USDT. I don't want this video to be very long. USDT. This first one. Click on it. Alright, BSC BEP20, this one. If you're using Bybit, I just advise either use Bybit or use Trust Wallet, so you don't stress yourself. You understand? If you want to do stuff on head, you can use Binance, but BEP20 USDT, take note. So you copy this address. There's BEP20. You understand? I've already used this address, so just use Trust Wallet. This is just for Bybit users. Then I'll be using Trust Wallet. Okay, here to the Trust Wallet. You just come to this search button and click on USDT. Alright, this is it. You can see it, USDT BEP20. I beg, USDT BEP20 is what you need to copy. Most of you went and be copying a different address, some copied BNB and stuff like that. Please, it's USDT BEP20. Then click on receive, copy. We're going to be using this address. So head back here, not here, here. Then, okay, after putting the Twitter username, click this arrow, then click on confirm. You understand? Sorry. Then please enter your USDT BEP20 wallet address. Click here. Then we'll be pasting the address. Then click here. Then they'll ask you to confirm if it's a correct address. You understand? They click on confirm. After that, they click on lottery to take you down here. You go down and enter draw. Then they'll give you a code. This is your lucky number. You copy the code like this. You copy the code like this. Then Go back. Let's go back to the other board here. Then they say, then submit your ticket code, your ticket number. Sorry, this is the number they gave me. I'll just submit it like this. Then submit your BSC wallet address, which is the PEP20 wallet address. I'll just submit the same address I submitted there. This is it. Submit. Then they'll say, thank you for participating in Sora Phone Lottery. You have 0, blah blah blah. You can see my details. That's just it. You have entered for the draw. You understand? Then if you can refer, you refer, because if you refer, you will be climbing leaderboard. Then you will get to top 300 people. But if you can't refer, just leave it like that. You can randomly get a reward of $6, $3, and $10. You understand? But if you can refer, then you'll be going for a bigger reward. You understand? But if you can't refer, you understand? If you can't refer, just register like this. You are done. When they start doing distribution, you may get $6, $3, or $10. You understand?